This past weekend, Rolling Loud, one of hip hop's biggest music festivals, was held in New York City for the first time. Music lovers were able to see many of their favorite rappers perform right outside Citi Field. The headliners of the festival were Travis Scott, Wu-Tang Clan, Meek Mill for Saturday night, and Lil Uzi Vert and ASAP Rocky for Sunday night. Some other artists that performed were Gunna, Sheck West, DaBaby, Playboi Carti, Juice WRLD, YG, and many more. Along with enjoying the music, you could have also gotten a bite to eat with many food options to choose from, and if you were of legal age, you could also have grabbed a nice refreshing beer to cool you off.
It was a great experience. We're there for 3 days. People from all over the country go there. Something like every friend group should experience, go together.
For the first time, music festivals have a new bag policy, which has been enforced for the first time in Rolling Loud, New York, where only clear bags are allowed in the festival. To get into the festival, you have to wear your scannable wristband, which was mailed to your house. And it only scans once per day, so if you leave, there's no chance of you getting back in. Festival goers would push all towards the front of the stages to see their favorite artists, and others enjoyed engaging in mosh pits as well. The next Rolling Loud Festival will be taking place in Los Angeles, California on December 14th and 15th. For Com219, this has been Grayson Carter.